I forgot to... Oh my gosh, I forgot to record for my VOD. Oh my god, how can I do this? Ba't kasi hindi isi-save ni TikTok yung landscape? At this point, baka mag-landscape pa na lang talaga ako. You know what? Okay. Tara, let's, sa passenger cabin? Here. Okay, let's see how many pulls we have muna. Hello, Yan Makadoshima, welcome. Meanwhile, since may Evernight ako, I can do Astral Express version 2 team. Is it like a good team ba? I mean, okay. It makes sense na dito ako magpo-pull, diba? We'll ride together as the destiny unfolds. Ilan yung ko? Okay, this is yung ipon ko. Some people are saying na mas kunin ko na lang daw yung yung E1 compared sa LC. But like, I want all of my husbandos to have an LC. Like their signature LC. Hello Zanti, welcome sa stream. Welcome. Kamusta? How are you? Base to be honest, diba? Wait, record ko lang to. 11, 6, 38, 19. Heads up! The wheels are spinning across the plains and valleys deep to down. Diyos ko po, magpupul pa ako kay Serene next patch. Diyos ko. Okay, I can pull 72 times plus 19. So, ilan yun? 91? Ayun pala yung HSR. Tinan ko paano yung nilalaro. Diyos ko, sanay na ako at this point. My gosh, tas magpupul pa ako para kay Serene. Ano ba yan? Everyone wish me luck. Sa baga ako, go lang, go, it's alright, it's alright. Okay, last question. This is a good place for me to to pull, right? Right? I give you my gacha luck. Sana. Shoota, please. I lock in, bruh. Okay, I need his light cone. I also want, wait, let me see his his C1, E1 I mean. Since sabi nila mas maganda daw kunin yung E1 niya compared sa light cone eh. When down PT uses ultimate, recovers 1 skill point and increases the bandmate's all type of... Ooh! This actually looks so good though. E1... But the light cone though. The light cone. I don't have good character luck. Luck ko na sa LC. And I don't have PT on both. If I remember correctly. Nagkalahin na ako yung music shoot. Robin, I love you pero nangingibabaw ka. Heads up. The valley will the Silver Kingdom. Wait. Ilan ba ko? Agoy! Zero sa character. Tapos sa LC. Mind you, enjoy your stream. Thank you, sorry. Thank you. Tatry ko pang kunin to. While also mag-iipon sa kay Serene. Tapos plano ko pang kunin yung mga idolons ni Mighty Shota. Thank you for the roses, sorry. Thank you. As one. Thank you for the roses, sorry. Thank you. Diyos ko, tas dalawa lang ko dito sa LC. And hindi pa guaranteed. Parehas hindi guaranteed. Diyos ko. Wait. I need luck. Sandali. Oh, Diyos ko po. Please. Sana. First, I love you, Zed. No problem, sorry. Love you too. Be lucky. Kukunin ko talaga iwan niya, hindi lang LC. Kasi plano ko lang talaga is LC niya eh. Or next, or pass ko yung luck ko. Sige, sige. I'm thinking na ano... Wait, let me see his LC nga muna. Increases the wearer's attack by 64%. When the wearer uses ultimate, restores the HP equal to 10% of the wearer's attack for all allies, and additionally restores the HP equal to 10% of the wearer's attack for the character with the lowest current HP, and grants readout to all allies for 3 turns. Targets with readout deals 24 increased damage, which further increases 12% if the target gets sub-summoned. I mean, it's good though, actually. It's like parang, ano, pang heal na din. Just go! I cannot choose, I'm indecisive as fuck. I'll do 110 pull sa ano, sa character. 0 PT, just ko po. Nada. Nada. Oh my god, may Sushang na ako! Oh my god, finally! Finally, I have Sushang! I have Sushang already! Diyos ko, ito na lang kulang kung ano, 4-star. Diyos ko po! Ngayon lang umuwi. Finally. Fucking finally. Diyos ko. Okay. I will move on to the light cone. Diyos ko. Kung umuwi yung light ko na maaga, sige, tatry ko kuna iniwan. Kung hindi, edi hindi. So, this is 2. This is 12. Wala. Oh my gosh! Sushang's coming home! Din lang niya pala si Danhang PT para lang umuwi, Diyos ko. Pero ang tagal-tagal niyan hindi umuwi sa akin. That's like what? 1.5 year na hindi umuwi sa akin. Tapos ngayon, biglang uuwi. Okay. 22. Yung Jades ko. Wala pa. Wait. Was that a 5-star? Or hindi? Hindi ko napansin masyado. Hindi. Okay. I saw blurred and kala ko yun na yun. Mata ko lang pala. Okay. 22. Hello, Bella. You can resume. Welcome. 32. Hello, Bella. You can resume. Wala pa rin. Oh my god. Kung kaya ko ikuha si Anaxon low PT, you can too. You're overestimating my luck. 32. How is he? I'm doing fine. Oh my god! Wala pa rin. It's okay, 42 PT na. Trust the process. No, I cannot trust the process. I don't even trust myself. 2. Wala pa rin! 52. Diyos ko. Asan yung luck ko? Kinuha ata niya. Hindi, wala palang luck yun si, si Nick Shoota. No, Warjut ka nandito. 52, 62. Oh my god, just go. Okay, 60. Please! Please, 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 please. This is okay, okay, wait. This is a good sign, di ba? Si Danhang. Though, remember ko dun sa clip ni Nyx is, nawa niya, tatas natalo siya. Wait lang nga. May... 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. Oh my god, sandali. Ako'y kinakabahan. 3, 4, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, akala ko, 70, Diyos ko po, 71, puta kayo na, pinakanghuli pa. Okay, 71, that's 72, 72 ko siya nakuha. Please, 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 my god, oh my god, kinakabahan ako, guys, kinakabahan ako. Kinakabahan ako. Wait, I cannot do this shit. Wait lang. Sa tingin nyo, ligwak o hindi? Charot. Oh my god, dude. Please, 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 please. Ay, putang ina! This is the wrong Astral Express member. Hindi ito yung hinahanap ko. This is not what I was looking for. Diyos ko po. I can't believe I lost a light cone banner. Hello, Mom. Happy streaming. Walang happy streaming dito. This is sad streaming. Hello, Azernon. Welcome to the stream. Isa lang yan yung tentpole ko. Diyos ko! Mag-ipon pa ako para kay Irene. Hello, Baltimore. Welcome to the stream. Tama pa ba pinagagawa ko sa buhay? Hello, Nak. Welcome to the stream. Mama, hello. Can I not choose both? I want both. Kahit sa Irene wala ng LC. Okay lang, basta ano. Hello, Mama. Hello. You gotta sacrifice. Mama, I'm kinakabahan na tomorrow 5 p.m. competition ko. Good luck, Nak. Good luck sa competition. If I do a 10 pull, sa tingin nyo uwi kaya to? Back to back? Back to back? Or am I coping? Diyos ko po. I only have 1 10 pull left. Should I do this or should I not? Diyos ko po. Fuck, fine it. Wala. It did not come home. How dare HSR do this to me? Ilan makukuha ko? 7? Not enough for a 10 pull. I don't have enough for a 10 pull. Diyos ko! Level up ko nga muna to. Diyos ko po. Saj. Anong i-equip kong light cone neto? Na-stress siya, true. Diyos ko po. Also out muna ako sa iyo. Bye, Zongshi. Bye-bye. I'm gonna cry muna dito sa gilid. Ano ba yan? Ay, sumasakit ulo ko. Diyos ko. Hindi ako natutuwa, Putex. Next time! Wala nang next time! I don't have any funds left. Ubus ng aking funds. Happy streaming. Walang happy streaming dito, Francis. Walang happy dito. Everything is sadness. Diyos ko. Gusto ko magwala. Like, legit. Gusto ko magwala. Valid crash out. Basically, you're a time and let us hold our ground. Whoa. Ay, Diyos ko po. Nandidilim paningin ko. Alam niyo yun, guys. Like, legit. Nandidilim paningin ko, Putex. Wow. on you. Balik yung bad luck ko. How dare this game? Diyos ko. Ay, idolans nga pala nito, Potex. Asan na yung streamer lock? Where the hell is the streamer lock? Kala ko may ganun, but wala. Why did it not come? Why is there no streamer lock? Ano ba yan? Hindi ako natutuwa, Shota. Legit, I'm not I am not happy with the outcome. I do not like this. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko, Shota. Yeah. Hello, Shark. Welcome sa stream. Welcome. Robin, I love you, pero manahimik ka muna ng onte. Your music does not bring calmness to me right now. Wait nga lang. Ako'y mag-build ko muna to si Danhang at tatry kong gawin yung floor tuloy. Himik ko, I love you, pero putang ina, pangalawang beses mo nang pinangalawang copy ko nang nakuha yan. I'm legit gonna crash out. Just go. This day just keeps getting worse and worse. Just go. Salvage this relics. Force are below. Unfolds. Lipat nga tayo. Sa ano nga tayo? Sa tayo ito, ang Furious tayo. Ako'y magwawala. Let's go to Okima. Dito tayo sa Heroes Bat. Dito na ako mag-ayos ng relics, Diyos ko po. Nung alam mo akong tubig. Hello, Yakin, Makadorishima. Welcome.
When the heart changes, so does the world it sees.
I guess I'll level up the traces muna. I have it all pre-farmed naman, so it's okay.
They're all part of the road I chose.
Ako'y nandito din pa rin paningin ko, puta.
Every hardship, they're all part of the road I chose.
Ay, just ko. I have a love and hate relationship with this game. I really do. Ano pala makuha ang speed dito? Let's do 5 speed. Nag-increase din. May defense din pala ito sa yun. Danhong. Siyempre lahat i-level up ko. Pre-farm ko eh. I pre-farm this shit. Gusto ko talaga magwala. Pati pang basic attack nito na tinan ako eh. Kinuha ko. Hello Mark Lee. Welcome sa stream. Welcome. Hello Mark Lee. Welcome sa stream. How are you? Hindi ako masaya ngayon. I feel like shit. Not only did I not land the job dahil I'm still studying, yun yung reason nila. But I also lost my 75-25. At 75-25, On the light cone. Like, why? Tas 72 PT pa, shoot, ha? Hello, McDolly, Bibago Nurushima, welcome. Yun nilaro natin sa RB that time, meron na sa stream. Yeah, I know. Yung Pico Park Classic ba yun? Hello, McDolly B, thank you for the follow. Thank you. How are you? I hope you're having a much better day than I do. Wait. Hello, Rihanna, Nurushima, welcome. And thank you for the heart meme, McDolly B. Thank you so much. Much appreciated. I'm gonna let this run on auto battle. I do not have the power to do this. Not power, like energy. Aray ko, sakit ng ano kong binti ko. Hello, Fry French, Magarushima, welcome. Thank you for the follow. Thank you so much, much appreciated.
Your downfall is absolute.
Hi, Kuya Zed. Hello, Fry French, welcome to the stream, welcome. Can I ask, do I know you? Or like from another streamer? Yeah? Kanino? Sorry, I don't have, my brain is not functioning at 100% right now. This is my alt account. Spaghetti, ikaw ba yan? Hello, Mark na lang. Welcome to the stream. Ay, okay. Welcome sa stream. Ay, Diyos ko. I'm legit, not in a good mood. Ang daming pangyayari. Shows lang yun. Sige. Ang daming pangyayari ngayon na hindi ko gustong gusto. What happened? I did not get the job. Nalaman ko may face-to-face na ulit kami bukas. Natalo ko sa 75-25 ko. Ano pa ba? I don't have any jades left. No light cone, ni Danhang, no E1, no unaccess light cone, and no jades left. Ay, Diyos ko, gusto ko na lang umiyak. Ang rami, di ba? After neto, matutulog na lang ako, putex. I need rest after this. Not only that, it's because 2 oras ng tulog ko kanina. 2, 3. Tapos may pasok pa ako bukas. Okay lang yan. Fighting, kaya mo yan. Hindi ko nga kaya. Ba't mo pa pinagpipilitan? Hindi ko na kaya, Diyos ko. Gusto ko na nga mag-crash out eh. Gusto ko pa yung healer, mamamatay na. Thank you for liking the live, Price. Thank you. Price na natatawag ko sa'yo. If I sound deflated, it's because I am. Diyos ko! Feel ko talaga gusto na magwala.
Flailing beast. Step onto the board.
Watch over you, guide you on your path.
Nanahimik na lang ako, puta.
Future will come. Nothing moving. Repent.
Takte, pati naman dito sa Relics, ano yung ano ko, bad luck ko. Like, ang gaganda ng, may times na maganda yung para doon sa kabilang ano, kabilang, what do you call this? Set, pero yung sa set na hinahabol ko, wala din. Hello, Cake, ang VM, welcome to the stream, welcome.
It's of no consequence.
Mapapatahimik na lang talaga ako sa buhay na to, shoota.
Step onto the board.
Doubt farewell. Watch over you. Guide you on your path. Future will come.
Magta-tap-tap na lang ako kasi wala akong maganda masabi. Ako din, wala din akong magandang masabi. Hindi lang yun ko nag-iisa. Hello, MQ. Welcome to the stream. Ay, Diyos ko. Putang ina! Kakairita. Buti na talaga magwawala na ako dito. Tapos ito, hindi pa gumanda relics nito. Sinasabi ko talaga sa'yo. Magwawala talaga ako. Okay, lipat na naman dito. Diyos ko, palipat-lipat na tong overlay ko. Dito ka na lang. Hello sa Yuri. Thank you for sharing the live. Thank you, thank you. I am not... Hello, Zed. Hello. Ito lang, meron akong ano, Fedora. Sa bagay, nag-delete nga pala ako. Kamusta sa Yuri? Ika lang, mag-replay muna ako naman. Dito salvage muna ako na to. Ay, imbiyer na talaga ako. Ito, masakit likod. Buti sa'yo, likod lang masakit. Akin, pati, not only my ano, my physical body, but also my soul. Hello, Natalia. Welcome to the stream, Makamoto. If I sound deflated, it's because I am. I want to go. Ay, Diyos ko. Isisisi ko to kay Nix, charot. Ang dami nagyayari ngayon. Puro negative. Hello, Miyazaki. Welcome to the stream. Potex. Di pa nag-focus sa attack to. Felix pa sinisi. Eh, siya nagsabi talaga. Siya nang una eh. Sabi niya ano. Same daw kami ng luck. Ayan tuloy. Natalo din ako. Diyos ko. I blame him for this one. Ay, magbigay ka ng speed, parang awa mo na. Balikan kita. Ano ba maganda? Oh, no choice. Ito na naman attack eh. Pangit pa ng substats. That substats that I don't even need. Feel ko talaga magwawala ako. Hello Casey, welcome sa stream. Makamakam. This attack percent. Dan. Puta. Ano ba? Hindi talaga ako natutuwa. I am not enjoying this shit. I'm not enjoying the fucking pain. Oh! Diyos ko. Tigilan niyo ako pag ako talaga nagwala dito. Mag-hiatus talaga ako, Diyos ko. Hello, Joseph Noy Noy. Welcome to the stream. Butang ina. Wag ka na maingay, Joseph. Wag ka na maingay daw, Noy Noy. Ako'y sumasakit ang aking ulo. Huwag ka dumagdag. Parang awa mo na. This could have been good kung attack percent, pero hindi. If this lands on a speed, i-upgrade ko to. Hindi, edi wag. Ano pa ba? If this lands on a speed, I will upgrade this. Edi wag. Ano ba yan, Potex? Napakatakas ng defense nito. Hindi naman ang defense ang habol nito. Hello Trisha, welcome to the stream. I am now not in a very good mood today. Hello JJ, welcome to the stream, Potex. Uy, Diyos ko po. Ilan attack na to? 3,000? I feel like that's not enough. Really feel like that's not enough attack. The speed nito 127, hindi din enough. Ilan defense nito? 27. Eh, hindi naman to nag-ano ng defense, Botex. I am not happy at all. You go here. Hello Gojang, welcome to stream, welcome. Hello Gojang, welcome to stream. Thank you for liking the live, thank you.
My childhood musings, huh?
Thank you for sharing the live, Gojang Trishi. Pero I'll also end stream as ASAP. Kasi ako I am not in a good mood talaga right now. Mas lalong pinalala ng larong to. Ko. I am not okay. Saan pa ba makakakuha ng jades? You know what, I'll end stream na nga. It's a short stream but like it's very very short. But really, I don't care anymore. Ay, babawi na lang. Try ko na lang bumawi bukas, guys. Bye bye everyone. Good have your dinners now, right? I think it's around, yeah, it's 7 o'clock na. Have your dinners, guys. Thank you for staying here kahit short stream lang. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you for everyone who gifted, who like, and who stayed here. Bye-bye, everyone. Good night. Good night. And hopefully you all had a much better day than I did. Like, literally. So, yeah. Bye-bye, everyone. Good night. Good night, everyone.